All right, so video 2 of installing the house batteries, 3 sets of 6 volts. So each set, 2 is a set, equals 12 volts. So remember, that was the first set, how we did it, right? There's the negative, so we count from the negative. There's only 3 cells, so 2, 4, 6. Actually, it's 2.1, so let's just go 2 volts, make it simple. Follow the cable over. 8, 10, 12 right there. So it's all hooked up all the way. We got that positive, this set of batteries, this positive hooked to this positive. All right, that's parallel. Then this set positive right here all the way down. Zip tie these so it don't bounce around and come loose. Same way with the negative back here, zip tied. I think you can see, you can't because that beam's in the way. Right there, there you go. So I left this one not zip tied, all right, because in case you have to disconnect the negative. All right, but it's all up and running. We went from bulk charge right now. Here, I'll show you. Let me turn on a nice little, I'm old and can't see crap. So here's the middle set of batteries, these two, this one and this one. That negative, 2, 4, 6 across the little short cable. Remember, I have it where red tape is going to the positive and the black tape going to the negative. So once again, from that negative, 2, 4, 6 across the bridge of the cable, 8, 10, 12. So here we go. We're going to put the positive there, the negative over there, see me right there, and we got 14.84. She's in bulk charging. I just turned on the inverter. Everything's safe. We didn't let no smoke out. I turned this off to blind you. See, I got it wrong again. I hope I don't troubleshoot like that. Anyway, if you have any problems hooking these up, or you're a little bit scared, or you're out of your comfort zone is what I call it, scared, go ahead and leave me a message on the YouTube channel, or if you belong to my RV Diagnostics Facebook page, it's getting ready to be 34,000 one day, but I just call it 33,000 members. And also I got an email, jeff@rvdiagnostics.com. I'll try my best if I ain't busy to help you. I also have a paid membership website. It's a whopping, sit down because it's going to cost you a lot of money, $170 a year. I help thousands of people over the last 6-7 years troubleshoot their RVs, and they saved $5-6 grand a year minimum. And you know what's more important than that? They learned their coach. They became self-sufficient. They became exemplary DIYs, do-it-yourselfers. All right, and don't forget the school that's here. All right, you can, and I got a mini campground back here, 50 amp water and sewage. Yeah, you got to pay a little bit, because I got to pay a little bit for the electric, got to pay to get the sewage pumped out, blah blah blah. There you go. Or and it's a repair shop. Okay, so you can one, have me repair it all, and I'll just charge you an arm and a leg and let you hobble out of here. Or if you help me, most likely, depends how it is, I'll just charge you an arm and you can walk out of here. Remember the motto: test, not guess. TES, make it a $. If you test, you only spend the money the first time. If you guess, has 2 S's, $2, just double, sometimes triple the money. All right, so test, not guess, folks. Thank you very much, Jeff from RV Diagnostics down here in Delaware.